Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly readings for January 13 to 19, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see Gemini. Ano yung energy ngayong week na to for you? January 13 to 19. For Gemini. Okay. Uy, loyal heart. Maaring ngayong week na to, you will focus on your relationships. Oo. Parang meron ditong mag-uusap ng masinsinan. Oo. So, this can also mean loyalty sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa pangarap mo sa buhay. You also have to the sea. So, this is going with the flow. Parang may nagtatampo rito, Gemini. Baka ikaw yung magtatampo sa person mo or yung person mo magtatampo sa'yo. Here and now. Ayan. So, you are also going to focus on the present moment. Hindi mo na i-overthink ang future at ile-let go mo na yung past. Kasi itong to the sea is like going with the flow. Oo. Maaring nung mga nakaraan, marami kang iniisip about your past mistakes, kung ano yung sana nagawa mo or hindi mo ginawa. But, wala tapos na yun Nandito ka na sa present moment. So, you are now, sabi nga, seize the day, diba? Carpe diem. So, whatever you have right now, yun yung binibigyan mo ng attention. Yung mga taong mahal mo, yung mga taong nagmamahal din sa'yo, and yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Like yung work mo, what matters sa'yo, yun yung importante. Kung ano yung iyong interest. You are also dealing with a new opportunity. So, pwedeng may bagong trabaho, project para sa inyo. Let's see what else. You have the Ace of Cups. Oh! Ano talaga to New relationship. New beginning kasi to So, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, baka kayo ay in love. Or merong connection, romantic connection na nagsisimula. O, diba? May Death card. This is endings and new beginnings. So, some of you, kung kayo ay nagsisimula ng relationship, yung iba naman, may natatapos na relationship. And, hindi porket natapos yung relationship na yun, magmumukmuk na kayo. Kasi, this is also an opportunity sa inyo na mag-transform to be a better version of yourself at mas mahalin ang inyong sarili. Nakakapagod kayang nasa relationship. Kasi hindi lang sarili mo iintindihin mo, pati ibang tao, diba? Yung karelasyon mo. So, this is you transforming yourself, letting go of the things na no longer serving you. You also have the King of Cups. Some of you, maaring ang person na ka-deal ninyo ay water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is compassion, pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. I think this time, mas magiging connected ka sa emotions mo. Kasi kung dati hindi mo pinapansin, dinidisregard mo yung nararamdaman mo. At mahirap yun kasi hindi mo siya na-express. So, this time, you're going to express yourself, express your feelings, and acknowledge yung nararamdaman mo. You also have the Seven of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, you are setting boundaries. Hindi nyo na hinahayaan na kayo ay i-take advantage ng iba. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga iiwasan kayong unhealthy habits. It's like setting a new goal for this week. At susundin, yung talagang disiplina, para makuha nyo yung resulta na gusto nyo. Oh, you have the Strength card. Lakas, courage, confidence. So, ikaw ay confident sa sarili mo na maiiwasan mo ang mga temptations. Ang temptations kasi hindi lang naman yan sa anything na anything na sexual, 'di ba? It is also yung mga bagay na alam mong bawal sa'yo or hindi makakabuti sa'yo pero masarap. 'Di ba? Oo. So, pinaglalabanan mo 'yan or paglalabanan mo yung temptations na 'yan. Energy rin ng family. So, yeah, some of you are also going to focus on your family, your finances. Maganda yung finances rin sa inyo, Gemini. Maaring you will be saving more. Mas mag-iipon ka. Okay. Let's see ano pa. For Gemini. Okay. Ngayong week na to. Book. Maaring meron kayong pag-aaralan. Merong marireveal na katotohanan. Ako, ano to? Meron ding fortune. Okay, so, itong fish is about fortune. Fortune is on the way sa inyo. I think mas hopeful kayo ngayon no? Mas focus kayo na mag-manifest ng inyong mga goals, ng inyong mga dreams. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaalam, nag-aaral kayo, nire-research nyo, yung mga bagay na interest ninyo, kung paano nyo pa mas mapapaunlad yung sarili nyo. So, this is a feminine energy. You may be dealing with a feminine or ikaw yung feminine. Also have anchor. Itong anchor na to, ikaw yung, in control of your destiny, of your actions. So, I think, yung iba, meron kayong bagong tinatahak na landas. Okay? So, this can be a new job, a new career, na kung saan kailangan nyong mag-aral, kailangan nyo ng disiplina sa sarili nyo para makuha nyo yung resulta na gusto nyo. Okay, let's see what else. Initiations, ayun, 'di ba? Pag-i-initiate, ikaw yung gagawa ng first step. So, be open through this transitional time. So, yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, may transformation. Things are changing. And ito yung kumbaga sa unang hakbang patungo dun sa bagong destination na tatahakin mo. Unity heart, you are being called to work on collective healing. Okay. So, healing from your experiences as a whole. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaaring kayo ay spiritual healer na meron kayong mission dito sa mundo na magpalaganap ng kaliwanagan sa nakararami. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are doing spiritual work. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.